everyone, I'm Lakysha with What's Next, and I know that traveling can be very stressful. So with my many years of working in the airline industry, I just wanted to be able to share some tips and tricks that will help you not be a dumb traveler. It's that time of year again, time for summer travel. Everyone's planning trips, and of course the airports are going to be super busy. If you decide to plan a trip to a destination outside of your country, you want to make sure that you have checked all of the requirements for the country that you're traveling to. It's your responsibility to make sure that you have the proper documents to travel. Don't rely on the airline to do that for you. It's up to you to make sure that you choose the destination that you are allowed to travel to, and make sure that you process all of the documents ahead of time and have them available when you go to the airport to check in. Take a look at your passport and make sure that it doesn't expire for several months from the date that you're traveling. Most countries require that it is valid for at least 3 months minimum when you actually make your trip. If this isn't the case, then it's highly recommended that you get it renewed before you go on your trip. Don't take the chance that you're not going to be able to travel, because you can be denied to fly on the day of your trip. Don't forget, it is required that any passenger of any age on an aircraft must have a passport if they're leaving their country. You have to have a passport even for your children. It's a requirement, and a passport is the full book, not just the card. Many customers get confused because the passport card is much cheaper, but the passport book is what's necessary to travel by air. The passport card is only good if you're traveling by land or sea, and it says so if you actually read the instructions when you're filling out the passport application. International travel can be an amazing experience, but don't be that dumb traveler stuck at the airport because you didn't do your research and have the proper documents to travel to that country. It is not the airline's responsibility to make sure you have the information you need. Make sure that you do your research and get all of the documents in order before it's time to travel. Take those documents to the airport when it's time to fly out. With these tips and tricks, you will have an amazing experience and be on your way to a great trip this summer to an international destination. I'm Lakysha with What's Next, and we will see you next time on our next episode of Dumb Traveler.